Guys, I wanted to make this super quick video to show you guys one exercise that targets your bum and your abs at the same time. So we are just jumping straight into it, you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for loads more workouts and healthy recipes, yoga, and loads more content. Anyways, you guys, this video is really quick, so we're just doing a plank and then we're gonna do a leg raise, and each leg we are doing 30 seconds. Guys, this exercise looks easy, but you will totally feel it so intense in your leg, your glute muscles, and those abs. It's so amazing at strengthening the core, those buttocks muscles. Really feel the mind and body connection. Really feel it, you guys. Keep going, breathing through it. That's our 30 seconds up. Well done. Now we're moving on to the next leg. I really love how this workout targets your bum and your abs at the same time. Practically killing one bird with two stones. You guys know what I mean, right? Planks are rated one of the best core exercises, and try to remain as straight as possible to get the best results out of your plank. They're so good for your core, and not only do they target your core, also your legs, and they strengthen your spine as well. It can also help with improving your posture. Just came into cobra pose. You can turn your buttocks and your abs, and it really helps to open up the chest, lungs, shoulders, and abdomen, and it can also help to relieve stress and fatigue as well. Planks can also help to improve your mind state, release stress and tension that can be built up in the body, and it also helps your body release endorphins, which are your body's feel-good chemicals. It can also help to improve your metabolism, as planks help to strengthen the massive muscle groups in your body, and having strong muscles means you burn more calories even when you're at rest. And I'm just demonstrating it again, like so. Really lift that leg, really tone, feel it in your buttocks. Muscle and mind connection is so vital, you guys. Envisioning your body being delicious. To do 3 each leg, which will basically be 3 minutes in total. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this video. I really hope you found it useful, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for loads more, you guys. I literally love you with my whole heart, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Peace, love, and light.